Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel ZinoVision. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Natural Vision Remastered NVE. This is going to be the free version, so stay tuned. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how you can install it quickly. Before we get started, I would love for you all to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started. As you can see, it's already installed right here, and the colors, lighting are amazing. So let's close down FiveM and let's start installing it. Okay, we're gonna download and install NVE. To make this work, we need to download a few files. So the first step, there will be two links in the description. Hop over to link number 1 because confirm it. You'll ask to be confirmed to subscribe. You just hit OK, and then you can hop over to link number 2. That's to join my Discord. So you need link 1 to confirm it, to also join my Discord. So yeah, after you've done both, let's head over to my Discord server. Okay, we're in our Discord server. As you can see, we also do a lot of giveaways, so participate if you want to. We also have a support page. If something's not working, we will help you as quick as possible, just because we love to help people. Okay, and for this tutorial, we're going to go to the FiveM resources section. Just to be clear, this tutorial works on Grand Theft Auto and FiveM. So we're going to cover both sides, how to do it on Grand Theft Auto and on FiveM. So you need two things to download. OpenIV. The site is currently down, so I've also placed the file right here. Maybe when you're looking at it, it's not down. And the second thing is we need to go to this web page. So let's go to both web pages. Okay, this OpenIV not working, as you can see. Let's go to the second page. Here you have Natural Vision Remastered. As you can see, this is the free version and it works perfectly fine. Just hit download and it will start downloading. There you have it. Okay, next thing for us to do is to go to your downloaded folders, open up your Grand Theft Auto main directory and your download folder. So on my left side I have the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder, on the right side what we downloaded, these two files. Okay, as you can see, I have multiple copies of Grand Theft Auto. That's because I love to have backups just in case something goes wrong. I highly recommend you also make backups. Let's get back to the tutorial. We're first going to download and install OpenIV. So we're just going to double click on it, hit continue, let it load up. We're going to hit accept the agreement and hit continue and choose your installation location. After you've done that, it's gonna download and install it. And it is successfully installed. So the second step is to open OpenIV, but with administration rights. Search for OpenIV in the search bar. Just like how I'm doing now, right click, run as administrator. Hit yes, and you will get the screen. We're going to hit Windows. It's going to ask you for the location, hit browse, and it will pop up the right location right away. Select folder, hit continue again. And let it load up. Then you'll get this orange bar. Make sure you hit what can I do, set permissions, and that is done. Wait for the confirmation. There it is. And then we're going to go to tools, ASI manager, and you're going to get this screen right here. We're going to install all three of them, just like I did. At the second one, they might ask you to create a mods folder. Hit yes to create. Yes, so we want a mods folder. I already have it right here. Now we can close down OpenIV and we can extract the file that we downloaded. The WinRAR, right click on it and extract. Let it do its magic. And double click on it. And then you'll have here a Natural Vision installer. We're gonna double click on it. And let me go to my Grand Theft Auto main directory folder, see if what got added. So we don't have an add-ons folder. I think it's gonna add an add-ons folder. Let's hit install to mods folder. Install. Okay, as you can see, it is successfully installed. So now we have Natural Vision Remastered on our Grand Theft Auto 5. So let's close this up. And next step to do is to actually go to your main files folder here and select these two files that I also select and drag and drop them in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder, just like how I did. So that's also done. So now it's installed. We also have the optional add-ons. As you can see, we can install Brighter Nights, just OpenIV, just like that. Double click on it and it will install brighter nights for a Grand Theft Auto 5 game. So it is that easy, folks. You can check out the optional packages right here wherever you want. There's also an uninstaller in it, and yeah, that's about it. Then you can just start up Grand Theft Auto and you can play it, and it will have these Natural Vision Remastered installed. It's that easy. So let's close this down. The next step is to look at the FiveM, how we're going to install that. So we're going to go to the search bar and we're going to right click on FiveM and hit open file location. So we're going to right click on it, open file location. Then you'll get this screen. We're going to right click on it again and open file location again. And then you'll have here the FiveM application data. We're going to double click on that. And now we're at that location. We're going to go here to optional add-ons. And here you'll have a FiveM and VR pack. We're just going to double click on it. And then you have the main packages folder, double click on it. And you can just drag and drop this right here and it will install it. It's that easy. Just drag and drop. There you have it. Add-ons. Yes. And then if you want the optional packages, like here, brighter emergency lights, just like what I had, you just drag and drop it in a Grand Theft Auto in the add-ons folder within the FiveM application folder. If you want Thunderbolts, precise, double click on it, and then you can choose your resolution. Now, for my case, it will be 5K or 4K, and there you have it. It's that easy. After that, you can start up Grand Theft Auto or FiveM and everything will work. Yeah, that's about it. I don't think I need to explain more than that. Again, let's do a summary. It's a free version. You can install it on Grand Theft Auto and FiveM. I showed you guys both ways. You hit the subscribe button, you joined my Discord, you smashed the like button, and you left me a feedback after this tutorial. So thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, just open a support ticket in our Discord server. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.